Jimmy, and I'm back today with another banger. Today we got a 99 Lexus RX300. A customer has lost all keys, so what I'm trying to do is get this ignition out. So I went on ahead and popped this right here. You can just stick your finger right up in here and pop it out. And then you want to come down to here. It's 10 millimeter right there, and it's one right there. You want to go ahead and take those both out. Then you can just pull this loose and pop this whole thing down. Once you get that out the way, you want to go ahead and take this screw right here, this Phillips screw right here, remove that, and go ahead and remove your security ring. Then right down here at the bottom, you're going to want to drill this pin out. If you try to drill it out with the exact same type of size bit, it's going to spin pretty much like this, and you ain't going to be getting nowhere because this will just be spinning as you're trying to drill on it. So I hit it with a little bigger bit and I was able to get it out. After I was able to get it out, I looked up the ignition, and the ignition was like $300-400. No one had it in stock. And so I did a little research and come to find out the 2001 Lexus IS300 is the same exact lock cylinder, which is the part number right here. I picked it up from O'Reilly's. Is it an import direct, part number 18-0667. And I went on ahead and took me some needle nose pliers, turned it a little bit to the ACC position, took my new one, slid it right up in there, and it went right up in there perfect. Now I got me a working ignition and everything, and so now I just need to go ahead and get it programmed. I'm in the midst of that right now. So I'm just waiting for my light to go solid so that key can be programmed. I actually don't have a full key right there. I have it pretty much on the way, but I do have a chip up in there to go ahead and program that chip, so she'll be at least able to start her car. The main thing to this video is finding this lock cylinder pretty much. It wasn't too much of a pain to get it out pretty much. I was able to go ahead and drill it right out and pulled it right out, but finding this thing is $300-400. But the 2001 Lexus IS300 uses this same lock cylinder. Only difference there is on the original one, it is in this direction, and on this one, it's in that direction right there. But who really cares pretty much which direction the engine is? I mean, the lock cylinder, everyone knows which way you have to turn it to start the car. So I was just putting this video out just in case anyone has a 99 RX Lexus and has lost all keys, and this is the procedure. And what I was going to do is go ahead and get the lock cylinder code, but customer had the lock cylinder changed a long time ago, and the keys to the door and the lock cylinder were not the same. So if this video helped you guys out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.